Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's part 3 of some estate auction tools that I bought. This box is a KRA 104, I believe. Now, looks to me like there's air conditioning tools in here. Not really sure what this gauge is. I'm guessing it goes with air conditioning, but as you can see, the fittings in there are for working on air conditioning units. Don't know if that's all snap-on or what it is, but the gauge is definitely snap-on and the box is snap-on, so I'll put that on the side. Okay, then this box here is some leftover parts that don't have part numbers on them. So, I mean, this looks like a bearing for a knockout punch, Greenlee knockout punch, but it doesn't say Greenlee on it either. And that box doesn't say snap-on on it, except on the back. It's KRA 40, I believe. And then over here we get into the tools. So this is a puller, of course. Everything here is pullers. It's a CJ86-1. This here part is a CJ. I believe it's a 125-1. This is an S8673. Got another, some sort of puller. CJ113. Now this one, it says snap-on on it, but I can't read a part number. Obviously some kind of a puller. You know what that's for. Let me know in the comments below. Here's another puller part. Two different sizes there. CJ97-5. Okay, then there's this bolt here. I believe it's, if I can read it, snap on. There was a part number on it. It looks like something 126, CJ126. What is it? CJ126. Okay. Then we got this puller here. It's a CJ119B, and then there's a 7 that might be for the year. Okay. And then these are axle bearing pullers. So you stick them in the tube and then turn it sideways, and then they go with this this slide hammer here. That's what I'm guessing. Put that one on the side here. Okay, then we got this slide hammer. It's a CJ93-2. See that? The rest of these parts here are all going to be, well, not these two. These are also CJ81D1, CJ81D2. There again, if you guys know what those are for, I believe they're snap-on part numbers, but they don't say snap-on them. Not that I saw. Okay, then the rest of this stuff is going to be for air conditioning. This is a ACT 24. I believe that's for like a clutch tool for on a compressor. This of course is a Bonnie like 4-way wrench ratcheting. That's the only part that's not snap-on that's on the table here. Here's another odd one. Looks like snap-on A78. Not exactly sure what that puller is. Pretty small. Okay, here's a ACT 23. ACT 8A, ACT 14-1, ACTN-2A. Well, wait a minute. ACT 11-2A. Okay, this one is a ACT 19A. ACT 12. Okay, ACT 16 and ACT 14-2. And then the last piece, ACT 1A. So that's what we got for this week, guys. A lot of stuff there. Some of these parts, you look them up, they're $50 to $70. I'm not really sure. I didn't look up that puller yet, but I imagine those aren't cheap either. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and until the next one, you all have a great week.